why we're here today.
You better kill me. You better.
The Skinners are a scourge on this whole state.
You burn in hell!
With great pleasure, I have been ordered to hang you for your misdeeds.
Here to watch Bounty Hunter? Or you here to do something?
He left appalling scenes of brutality in his wake.
You can't scare me. Look at this. Bounty Hunter got blood.
What in Blazes is your
How
problem?
you been?
With the noose around your neck, you really ain't that scary.
I seen fear. I seen it in the faces of plenty.
I should just hang you already.
Baying for blood. He's baying for blood. You gonna do it? You gonna kill me? No, no. Hellfire!
Oh, Christ almighty!
Oh, please, someone help me!
God damn. Watch out now. Some madman's running wild back there.